Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix can't open Windows security in Windows 11. First method is type Windows security in Windows search bar, right click, click App Settings. Click Repair and Reset. Second method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Windows Security Service, start the Windows Security Service. Third method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Copy text from description and paste it. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type sfc/scanno. Fifth method is update Windows. Sixth method is click Start, Settings, click System, click Recovery. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.